Today we're going to show you how to remove the radio for your first gen Scion XB 2004 to 2006.5. First thing you'll want to do is remove the outer knobs from the AC and heater controls. And there'll be a screw here, and there's a screw here. Both of them should be gold. Mine's been replaced once, so I have a black one. Next thing, you'll need a trim panel tool. You want to grab your panel tool, start down here at the bottom, push it in, pull up. Same for your other side. And then the unit will pop up and out, and then there'll be 3 connectors back there you'll need to remove. Once you have those 3 connectors removed, the panel is out. And for the radio itself, you got a screw back here, one down here, one here, and one back there. One quick tip, make sure you got a magnetic screwdriver to help prevent you from dropping the screws down behind the climate control. And then the keep note, or to keep your bolts separate, the one on the left, you'll have 4 of them. Those are for your radio, and the one on the right is what goes behind your climate control knobs to get the bezel off. So I got all 4 screws out. And your radio will just come right out, like so. Just unplug your antenna and your wiring connector from your radio, and then it's out. And then you'll just need your appropriate dash kit, which is just these little plastic pieces that bolt up to the factory radio brackets. And then a wiring harness connector. And those will just match up collar for collar to your aftermarket radio. Reinstallation is the exact opposite. You slide your radio in, put your 4 bolts in, and then with your bezel, make sure the top has 2 clips with lips on it, and they go in these holes. So just make sure they go in and up. And then just snap it down, and you're good to go.